So to start off with making a flower, we're going to need 5 pieces of square paper. Once again, you can see it's a square because it folds neatly into a triangle. In this case, we do want to keep it as a triangle. Take this one, take this corner, touch it to the top, and fold it. And do the same on the other side. Take this corner and touch it to the top, and fold it. Alright, now having all the points facing upwards, you're going to take this side here and touch it here to fold it. So it looks like this. And do the same on the other side. Now the next step is to open up this flap. See, it kind of forms a diamond shape here, and you want to press it down flat, like this. That's what it looks like on the other side. And do the same with the other flap. So you want to open it up. Forms a little diamond shape there. Press it down. There we go. Now you're going to take this part here and fold it down so it's just one straight line across. So right at the corners. Fold it down nicely. And on the other side, the same thing. Right. So now it just looks like it's 2 straight lines here. And you want to fold this in half along that crease. Alright, and same here. So it's pretty much a square shape, like that. Now to form the petal shape, you have to kind of bend it in the middle so that these 2 flaps here will be touching. And that's where you're going to glue it down. Now I'm going to be using a hot glue gun, but you can use any kind of glue. Just a little bit on the edge here. Fold it shut. And just pinch it there for a few seconds to make sure that the glue holds. And there's your petal. Now we're going to repeat this a few times with several different colors. Here I have purple. Once again, holding them together. A bit of glue. Pinch it shut. Hold for a few seconds. Now to assemble the petals, choose one, make sure it's facing upwards like this. A little bit of glue on the side. And you attach the next one. Make sure that the middles are touching. So it looks like this. Hold it there for a second. And I'll attach the next one. Another way to make sure that they are aligned is that the bottoms are all touching. Alright. Add another petal. And they don't all have to be the same color. It's kind of nice when you see them mixing, like the purple and white here. And you will notice that there will be a little gap in the middle. For the last petal, I just put a bit of glue on both sides. And slide the last petal in. Hold it there for a few seconds. Bottoms are all aligned. And your flower is now complete.